Hi, Brayden.
Hi, Brayden.
What can you say? Here, wait, sit down. You're on the camera. What can you say? You can jump really good, huh? Can you say noodles?
Noodles.
Can you say hi?
Hi.
Bye.
Bye.
Can you say puppy?
Puppy.
Daddy?
Daddy.
Papa?
Papa.
Hey, Nana?
Nana.
Amanda?
Amanda.
Allie?
Ali.
Logan?
Logan.
Cameron?
Cameron.
Can you say banana?
Banana.
No, honey, go over there. Can you say Grover?
Grover.
Can you say I love you?
Elmo.
Can you, yeah, Elmo. Can you say I love you?
I love you.
Can you say I miss you?
I see you.
Hold on.
I see you.
Can you say baby brother? What else can you say? Yeah. Can you say tree?
Tree.
Can you say star?
Star.
Can you say cookie?
Cookie.
Can you say hamburger?
Pepper.
Can you say diaper?
Butter.
Can you say potty?
Potty.
Can you, what else can you say? I can't think of anything else. Can you say shirt?
Shirt.
Can you say pants?
Pants.
Can you say elephant?
Omelette.
Can you say zebra?
Zebra.
Can you say kitty cat?
Kitty cat.
Can you say uncle?
Uncle.
Can you say Courtney?
Cookie.
Okay, Aunt Courtney?
Cookie.
And Courtney?
Yeah.
Yeah. Can you say phone?
Phone.
Can you say TV?
TV.
Can you say
Brayden.
Brayden?
Yeah.
Is that you?
Yeah.
Say, I'm Brayden.
Apple.
Good job. Okay, bye.
Bye.
Say, see you next time.
This is bye.
Bye.
Bye.